Cool, man. How was
Yo, I'm wearing boxers. Fuck. As long as my nuts aren't seen, I'm happy.
Nah.
Because I'm not wearing underwears.
That's nuts, dude. No, that's
nuts, no? I'm gonna do this. Put a massive blur during the entire thing. Alright, what's up?
It's gonna be like Japanese adult video, you know?
Japanese? Where's
You
Japanese?
can put some blur on the top.
Oh yeah, just pixels.
I always wonder why they did that, dude.
I think it's we don't know, dude.
We actually
We
don't know.
Yeah.
But we can speculate.
We can
As per
speculate.
usual.
We can pixelate.
Nah, because they have the most wild shit, right?
Bro, let's move on from Japanese porn.
A friend told me, right?
Oh my god.
Why are you looking at the producer? You can't.
We have a
So we have a producer on deck.
today.
So
So if you see us looking to the side,
Us.
we are kind of
looking
looking
approval?
for approval.
Approval.
But our producer is a bit of a product. It's a tough crowd.
Very tough crowd.
Toughest
very
apparently.
tough. Very tough for me. Yeah,
Ah.
I can't.
Yeah.
I mean, my favorite to hang out with, but
Can we talk about today's sponsor?
please do go ahead.
Today's episode is sponsored by
Ceylon Electricity Board.
Ceylon Electricity Board and the government of Sri Lanka. Together. So it's a joint collaboration. So it means more sponsorship money for us in the end.
Yeah, 100%.
So because of that,
But the thing is, the difference is we are saving, not gaining.
we are saving. But think about it, right? Like all these people not using electricity and all that, just saving the earth.
Saving the earth,
Saving
the
the
economy.
earth, two pahang at a time.
Where is this pounded?
This pond, dude, so I have this little එළියේ තියෙනවා මේ outdoor it's like a rock, it's like a cement structure.
Is it that thing?
Yeah. So
no.
you nail it on the wall and you put the pahana to it.
You
So now we're like adults now, so these are the things that like really excite, like
I
get
know.
me excited.
I
yeah.
know, dude. Like, older we get. Recently, I got a multi-plug.
Oh, I love fucking multi-plugs today.
Oh, it's like a bit
Orange there?
No.
Okay.
It's some LD Neo or something. It's
Okay,
on,
okay.
it's on Instagram all the time on ads.
Okay.
I'm getting
Oh,
ad
shit,
recommended.
ads.
It has the switches are like sounds
Oh,
amazing,
right.
and it has 4 USB ports,
Right.
which with high-speed charging.
High-speed charging.
High-speed charging.
That's the good thing, right?
Right.
Because they always market the USB things, but they're never high-speed.
No. So all 4 are like.
Right. I have like, I'm obsessed with the Orange thing, right? So Orange, the company Orange has a like a extension code, and it's a thing where it's neither Kotua nor Hiller,
Cause. Okay.
neither Kotu, it's not the
Yeah,
Ira or the
it's
circle,
both.
it's both, right? And I'm like, why the fuck isn't everything like that?
Yeah.
Right? So that's what's in my kitchen. The fucking fumes.
Is that? Why is
a producer?
No, our producer.
Bro, I think the fumes are strong, bro. But the window's open.
I'm not getting any of it. My lungs are
It's a vegetable. This is vegetable oil. So it's also brought to you by Fortune Cooking Oil. You know who said that?
Dude,
Chef
you are-
Lloyd, bro. From
Who's Chef Lloyd?
Chef Lloyd, dude. From Rasa Sarange.
I can't remember.
Yo, Rasa Sarange.
Rasa Saraniya.
Saraniya, something. Oh god, that's embarrassing.
Fun.
Do you know Mulfuti oil? Mulfuti oil.
Mool Pitu. Yeah. Bandula.
Fucking Bandula.
Yo.
Dude, recently I just watched some of his videos, bro. Like just for the fuck, because I wanted to hear his voice,
Yeah.
and he just told me that everything's gonna be okay.
Dude, apparently, he gets up like 3 in the morning.
Yeah, he has some mad work schedule.
Reads all the newspaper. Like he's the producer of the set. Like,
He's the producer. He's the
he's a
yeah.
makeup.
No, he's the makeup artist. He's the fucking costume because he has those fucking depressing ties.
Yeah, he does. I remember. Dude. Apparently, everybody loves him.
Yeah.
Loves him, dude.
I loved him as a kid.
I remember like Mool Pitu is the
Dude,
man.
what a show! It's literally reading the
Reading
fucking
newspaper.
newspaper, dude, and nothing more than
And
that.
Who did the show? It was Swarnavahini.
Swarnavahini.
And everyone copied from Swarnavahini, right?
Everyone, I think, copied
It
from
was the first
Swarnavahini.
thing.
Do you remember the song?
Nah.
That's Atapattam.
Shall we play the song?
Let's play the song.
Mool Pitu, dude. I remember like when I was getting ready to school,
Yeah.
go to school, like that's what.
Yeah, my
he played.
father. It's like background, like radio. You don't even fucking listen to it.
It's like
it's just there,
the
bro.
first podcast, dude. Sri Lanka's first podcast.
Nothing there. Yeah.
Mool Pitu.
Cool. Let that load, and I'll let once play. May
Is it
we
that?
jumped from like 10 topics, bro. That's a problem.
That's not a problem. That's the brand.
Extension codes are dope. All my multi-plugs in the house are numbered.
Why?
Because I like them numbered, so I know that number 1 goes to the iron, number 2.
Can you please? I'm near the number. You are not in a massive.
It's the fucking vegetable.
Okay. Now I got it.
What are we doing?
But yeah,
Thanks for the sponsor. So
Fortune cooking oil is bringing us the vegetable oils.
you had to say the vegetable oil scene, dude. Like
Bro, this is nasty, dude.
it is.
This is nasty.
I'm starting to get the film. I'm like a bit far because you're pretty
Yeah,
close.
I'm close by.
I think do you think my audio is getting captured? Probably, you know, because I'm
Probably.
shouting.
Yeah. Do you want to check this?
Hey, you know, man, what are you doing?
No.
The time we went to Rocco's, dude,
Yeah.
I love I'll tell this thing, right? When I'm hanging out with the producer, you and Kavin,
Yeah.
right? When I'm having vegetarian food, which I really don't, I don't feel like I had vegetarian food,
Yes.
right?
Mm.
So when I had the roasted pumpkin thing, I couldn't even sweat.
Fucking bonfire here.
The roasted pumpkin was amazing. The food is amazing at Rocco's, and we are fucking coughing like assholes.
No, it's the fucking films.
Yeah,
You
it's
should
fun.
be here. It's also let's describe our setting here, right?
Yeah, please go ahead.
First, we want to have a podcast at 5:30 because we haven't had a podcast in like the
Yeah.
last 5 years, and then 5:30 was the plan, and ඊට පස්සේ Karan ගියා උදේ, so we were like by 5:30 Karan will come. While Harin was coming here,
Kavin is always in the scene now.
it's the films, bro. While Harin was coming here, the Karan came back and we said the light is actually set up and everything, and we were ready.
It wasn't ready.
Literally, after we started, we were just
about to start.
and the power
Power
went
went
out. And we are like cool people, and so we improvise,
Yeah, like super creative and shit.
creative and shit, and now we have this the.
How come you don't have any more? Don't you have any more candles? Dude? You need to keep.
I don't have candles, period.
like actual candles.
No,
My mom has this theory, which is like in my head now as well.
the things you should own.
No.
Ah, okay.
So that's one thing.
Yeah.
She had like trained us in the all everyone in the house. If power went out, we know where everything is.
Oh.
If it's dark, I know where the candles are. I know where the matchboxes
Oh.
are. Everything. You need to have like a spot
Okay,
without
okay.
fucking putting numbers on plugs.
Right. Okay. Did you have glow in the dark stickers in yours one?
Nah.
We had the stars and I put it on the roof.
Oh wait, I did. I was like, I didn't go for it. It was there.
You
Think
won't
about
go
it.
for it.
No,
Just
no, I
know
mean,
that
I
it's
didn't-
pasted on the ceiling.
I didn't like hunt and put the whole thing there, but it's
Okay.
nice because our neighboring house we rented out,
Yeah.
and the last couple who was there, the
Oh,
whole room
shit.
is just fucking stars. This girl had put stars all over the house. It's
Bro, you
beautiful.
should put like a massive dick and you won't even know, and when you turn the fucking lights on, which is this fucking
Big
huge
dick hanging in front of you.
hanging, yeah. Starry dick.
Pause.
That should be a fucking Christmas carol. Starry dick.
Started it.
Yeah.
Are we gonna have a Christmas party or a thing
Christmas
like that?
party.
We're gonna
I
have
had to
Christmas
go for
party.
midnight mass. Midnight mass.
What's midnight mass?
Midnight mass is mass at midnight for the Catholics.
What's mass?
Mass is when you go and you fucking yawn and you just don't know what the fuck is going on. You're like, oh.
Still don't know.
And you're falling asleep and your mother's like, fucking dumbass.
There's this. You remember Dangya, right?
Dangya, yes.
There's this episode where Dangya goes to mass,
Okay.
right, with his family and all that. So Dangya is like, nah, I can't. This is like, I'm done. I wanna
Yeah.
go. So the pastor says, like, very close to the end
Okay.
of the sermon. So Dangya gets up. Harida, දැන් ඉවරද? අපි යන්නද?
Bro, that is all of us? It's like inside our head, dude. It's fucking whack, man.
Dangya
Church
is
is
fun.
like bad. So I had this I love Dangya, dude. I fucking. You remember the other thing, with the crocodile and the pancha?
Pancha's
was
dad
fucking
is a
shit.
honey addict.
Yes,
He's
yes.
an addict, dude.
He's an addict. I think like just this fucking subtle thing for like heroin probably.
Probably heroin, and mom is like a.
Or honey could be alcohol.
Yeah, I think that.
Yeah.
Nothing too
Yeah,
complicated.
Nothing too complicated. You remember Franklin, right? Because the producer could remember Franklin.
You can't remember Franklin?
Bro, that was the shit,
I
bro.
loved Franklin.
Franklin was
I
the
actually loved
shit.
Franklin.
Franklin was amazing, dude. Fucking miss that shit.
So much of animal.
Cruelty.
No.
Huh? No animals are harmed in the.
So much of animal
Can't be too
cartoons.
Yeah.
Animal cartoons when we were younger, right? I mean, I'm still
So many.
sure
Remember? Remember? Rajatumani. I've asked you this before. Sylvia.
That's a drama or
It's a fox who was in the jungle.
No, I can't remember. What's
Yeah,
that?
he was a fox who was in the jungle and there was a king.
Do you remember this cartoon which came when we were getting a bit old called Dangarwali Girl? We were getting a bit old.
Tell the scene.
It's about a yellow spotted, like a yellow small animal with black spots.
Yes!
With like a
He can
beautiful
bounce?
name. Yeah.
Dangarwali girl.
That's
He's like a
it.
cheetah.
Yeah, like a cheetah, but
Yes.
a meerkat cheetah
Yes.
kind of scene.
Yes.
Yeah, dude. Hilarious.
I
really
love
loved
that
it.
shit,
I
bro.
found the English name of it. It's
Really?
called Masupittilal or something.
Okay.
I don't know, just like try to put it there.
Two TV shows that I absolutely love that were dubbed, right, when I was small.
Yeah.
One was Famous Five.
I can't
The
remember.
dubbed version was fucking amazing.
Let me guess
shit.
the second one. Round the twist.
Yes. Bro.
I can't remember the
Wait,
plot.
what?
Around the twist?
No,
No.
I was thinking about the.
Wait, it was
they get stuck in an island.
Robinson Crusoe.
Robinson Crusoe.
Ah, right.
That was the. When I hear
Was
the
it
theme
dubbed?
song, bro, it was dubbed.
Ah, right.
When I hear the theme song, bro, like I get goosebumps, dude. That shit slapped. That shit
Do
fucking
you
slapped.
remember? Wait, Robinson Crusoe, right?
Yeah.
Oh, is it a Crusoe family something?
Some
Same
Crusoe.
thing. I
They
don't
got the one black kid and like the rest are white and.
Right. So, producers
Did not approve.
Fuck the producer. Fuck the producer.
Excuse you?
So,
Bro, I'm sweating, bro.
do
Holy
you,
shit.
do you remember Around the Twist?
Around the twist. I mean,
Yeah.
around the world.
Around the Twist. It's some Aussie show, dude.
Okay.
You don't remember?
No.
You remember Spellbinder, right?
Spellbound. I didn't like
You
Spellbound.
don't remember?
I feel like it's that same thing when I was small where I didn't like Spellbinder. Was the same. Shut the fuck up. Was the same. Shut the fuck up. Was the. Sorry.
Why are you
The
saying
same part of me that didn't like Spellbinder was the same part of me that didn't get hooked onto Star Wars.
that? Dude, I don't like Star Wars, dude.
You don't like Star Wars?
I don't dislike it.
I haven't watched
feel,
it.
I feel indifferent about it. I
Yeah.
watched 3 films
I
according to
watched.
the correct order.
Right.
You should watch 6, 5,
Okay.
4, I think that like
Right.
that. I just didn't hook onto it because I didn't watch it when I'm young, I guess. You know?
Right,
if
right.
I watched it when I was younger,
Yeah.
I might have loved it. I really wanted to, like, I want to be in the scene.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
I couldn't.
So all like my past friends were like obsessed, right? So I thought that would be a good environment for me to like get into stuff. Like Chamot and them were like mad.
Ah,
bro.
really?
Like, he probably has like a fucking tattoo on his chest
Yeah,
that I
yeah,
don't know
yeah.
about like
Or
Star Wars, you know?
Some
So I thought,
Battlestar Galactica
yeah.
tattoo, definitely.
Battlestar Galactica is different, right?
Isn't it Star Wars? See how
It's a
how
different,
bad.
it's a different show, no? It's a different movie.
Isn't it like a device in that, like a
Oh,
spaceship?
really? I thought it's a different thing. Okay.
Like Bears, Beats, Battlestar Galactica.
Yeah, that's how I know it.
Probably. Yeah,
That's
so
how
I
I
don't know.
Yeah. Talking about TV shows, right? I had this Discovery recently, not Discovery Channel, but like a Discovery, and I didn't want to Google it because I didn't want it to be one of those things where like some other person has written a blog post about it. I wanted to have ownership of this thought, right? So I didn't Google it.
Original opinion kind of thing.
Yes. So I didn't even know whether some other people have thought about it, right? So my friend from Australia, right? So he like we send each other voice notes. So he was we were like talking about Netflix, and I was like, I asked him like, what have you been watching or some bullshit like that, and he said, oh, I've been watching You, right? And I was like, okay, it's a bit creepy. And then I was like, okay, it's a TV show You, right? But then I was like, holy fucking shit, because I always thought the name of the TV show is Balls, right? But then I was like, holy shit, that's the point of
That's
the fucking
funny.
name.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
I saw it somewhere.
Oh, really? It's a thing.
It was probably the intention, but I
Oh,
haven't thought
because
about it. I
this
saw it somewhere.
Entire thing is about stalking,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
And no matter how you put that, no
Yeah.
matter how you put it, it's creepy. Or, bro, what did you do tonight? Oh, I was watching you. What the fuck? Yo, what are plans for tonight? What are plans for tomorrow?
I don't watch
Oh, I'm
it.
just planning on watching you. What the fuck? What did you do last night? Oh, dude, I was like really
watching
tired, dude, but like I somehow made it a point to watch you. It's like, oh, what the fuck? You know, that's fucking amazing, dude.
Yeah, that's
That's
pretty good.
crazy.
That's pretty good. But did you watch You?
I watched season 1 of You,
You didn't like
and
it?
I was like, that's okay, that's good, But then it ended in some cliffhanger and there was season 2. And I was like, how do you carry this on to season 2?
Yeah.
And then Crystalia came for season 2 and apparently he was like a creep. And that's when he got cancelled for being a fucking
That's
creep.
so hilarious. Dude.
That's hilarious.
It's like just on point.
Yeah, which is sad. Like Crystalia was one of my all-time favorite
Poor
stand-up
guy.
comedians.
I mean, he got cancelled for grooming, right?
Grooming,
Something
pretty much.
like
Yeah.
that. Yeah. But
So there's a
there's
podcast.
lot about
There's a podcast of 2 other guys. He was there in the podcast, and the other 2 guys are like, oh yeah, like you do know that like. So they were talking about Snapchat.
Bobby Lee is there.
What am I talking
The Tiger podcast like some Tiger.
I can't remember.
Right.
But they were like, oh yeah, some guy got busted because the girl has taken screenshots of Snapchat, right? And then his face has changed, right?
Yeah. I know. I
said, no, you can't like take screenshots of
This
Snapchat.
was on
That's
Fighter and the Kid.
Huh?
This is on Fighter and the Kid. It's a
okay.
podcast. Yeah.
He was like, no, the whole point of Snapchat is that like the messages are gone forever. And they're like,
I saw.
unless you take
I saw.
screenshots. And he was like, oh, you can do that. And they just
and a
fucking-
meme just zooms into his face. Like
and then cancelled.
like a big oops situation.
Yeah, hilarious.
But he's back though, right? He's like
He's back with his
He is.
congratulations podcast.
putting stuff.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Congratulations.
Alright.
Man.
But yeah, dude. I found a certain amount of his work funny and then it became low-key repetitive.
It became repetitive.
I mean, you have to love the character to
it's
enjoy
like
his
Russell
comedy.
Peters. It became mad repetitive. Haha, my father is Indian, he has accent.
Yeah.
Ha. That's it.
Yeah, dude.
But I went to watch Russell Peters when he came to
How
Columbus
is
because
it?
I was a big fan. Dude.
I was also big
Like,
fan of
I
Big Ben.
bought a 5,000 rupee ticket for 10,000 rupees. That's how much I wanted to go and see it. Some motherfucker, right? Some rich kid had fucking bought fucking tickets. And he's like sending his
Selling.
friends messages, bro, I have tickets. If you know someone, let them know.
Yeah.
So my friends are like, oh, we know someone in Colombo who. And bro, I rented a car from Candy. Because my mother didn't let me come in a train
what was the
because I
total
was like
trip?
somewhat small.
What the total cost to see Russell Peters say
15,000 rupees. 5,000 for the car, 5,000 for 10,000 for the ticket.
just to listen to a Canadian Indian
And this
accent.
was when I was in school, right? So it's not my money
Yeah.
and like it was a bit. But I loved it, bro.
But it's
I loved it.
fun.
Because he's like, it was like seeing Russ.
Yeah,
I rushed him
but
so
with
many
that-
times.
This is Russell the L, bro.
Russ with the L? Huh?
Russell Peters.
Oh. Freddy's face palm.
Peters is like,
Bro, I have to tell you a story, dude.
You keep going.
But you know the story, but I'm gonna just say it, right?
I get it.
But I'm gonna say more.
I'm gonna try to react
Cool.
as naturally as I can.
No. Bro. Okay. So I went to this art event thing, right? In this house. We went. Cool scene. I'm a dog person.
Oh, yeah.
I see a dog and I'm like, what's up, dog?
You're a dog person.
I'm a
Yeah,
dog
you
person.
were a dog
right? I was a
person.
dog. I am a dog person. I converted to
It's like
cats,
a-
but I didn't leave my old religion behind.
It's like
So I'm like Muslim and Catholic, or like it's not like I used to be Catholic and I'm like a new religion now. I'm both.
You're both.
So I see the world in both
So
sides.
you're better than.
I'm peace. pretty
You're
much.
better. You're better.
I am,
You're
yeah.
better. Okay.
And then saw a dog, right? So I was like, yo, what's up? Gave my hand to the dog to sniff. That's what you do. Dog sniffs. If the dog approves, then you can touch. Dog approved, then give a little.
Do you like people who kiss dogs, dude? I can't.
I mean, I kiss my dog, I kiss my cat, I kiss.
Isn't it like lick their face and shit?
You wouldn't lick their
No,
face.
they would lick your face?
That will be a bit weird if you go and lick the
Yeah,
dog's face.
yeah.
Yeah, dogs can lick your face. But they've only licked their own asshole. It's not a big deal.
It's in the family, no? It's fine.
Man.
Okay, so you're like playing with the dog?
Touch the dog, all chill scenes, Dalmatian.
Uh-huh.
Never really hung on to Dalmatian before.
Oh, no, what?
When saw everything, all G, was about to bounce.
30 minutes?
Sorry, man. I'm just gonna check the timer because I don't want it to fuck up. See, 6 minutes.
Okay. Play with the dog.
Play with the dog. All chill. Things over.
Yeah.
We are about to bounce. Dog is still there. I'm wearing a mask because COVID.
Yeah.
And the dog comes up to me, right? And I'm like, yo, what's up? And this motherfucker gets like a bit iffy with the mask, right? So what he does is he jumps onto me and grabs the mask off, right? Fucking when he jumps, was massive, right? Mask off. Okay. And then jumps up. What's that?
Future.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Toxic bastard.
Wow. Grabs the mask off and the mask is in his mouth now. So I don't want to create a scene, right? Imagine like
So the
everyone's
mask
like
in the dog's
in
mouth.
the dog's mouth, right? Imagine everyone's like, haha, the dogs are coming to snack. Fucking laughing.
High school shit.
I mean, that's what I said, right? I was like, fuck, like, dog has my fucking mask. I need my mask.
Yeah.
And I'm still in the event, right? I can't stay markless. I can't stay maskless like some fucking idiots.
Yeah.
Man. And then I
Try to pick the
went
mask
to
off him.
get the mask,
Yeah.
right? So I went to get the
Yeah,
mask,
so normal
took
thing
the
to do.
mask, that agitated him, and he didn't attack me, but he jumped with his mouth open and landed on my face.
Felt playful.
Felt playful, right?
Okay.
And I was like, holy fuck, he got my lip. Okay? And I was like, yo, what the fuck? And I just stand up like that, pain fucking hurts.
Oh yeah.
So I thought
it started paying like right
away.
instant.
Right away. And I did that and just saw fucking blood on my lip. And like, our producer was there, right? So I turned to producer and I'm like, yo, Minal, dog bit my face. And she just looked at my face like, whoa. And then I saw her reaction, I was like, no, it's fucking bad, right? Calm down! Everybody calm the fuck down! Okay? And then I was like, I'm starting to panic, right? And then another friend went to get a can of beer.
Right.
So he comes to the beer and he's like, what the fuck? Right? And like I get the beer and like, she gets it, I don't know. And I keep it on my face, right? And I'm like, dude, I need to go to a hospital now, right? Because that was because I thought my fucking lips hanging, bro,
That was
right?
energy.
And somehow like quickly ran to her car. And then Minal went back to check if the dog is vaccinated, right? And then in that time, I'm just there in this fucking dark road with the fucking beer can and and then I quickly take a phone with my back camera and the flash on, right? To see how bad it is. So I'm like that and I'm like, look at it, just blood, right? My lips are big anyways and it's just this fucking big bloody lip, you know? And then I am like consciously
Trying to calm down.
Trying to stay calm. It was very interesting. Like, obviously I can feel the panic try to like set in.
You're looking at it from like the third person view.
Yeah, but I'm like, oh cool. I just had to wait till I get to the hospital, you know. And then she comes and we like drive to the hospital, and I'm just like, oh cool, this is funny. And I send like Ruanga voice on, and I'm like, yo, I think I sent it. I sent
Everyone
it
else
to the
was
hospital.
panicking.
Sorry?
Everyone else was panicking.
Yeah, everyone else was panicking. And I was like the one with the fucking dog bite, and I'm like fucking chill, you know. I'm like, ah, cool, whatever. And then I didn't know the whole scene much on there. If it's a dog bite, you must go to general hospital. That's like 101 knowledge. I should have known that. But we went to Lanka hospital because that's the only emergency I know.
I mean, you
Like it's like close by also. Huh?
Yeah, you would. I don't think anyone would know. Like I didn't.
Oh, you didn't know that? Oh, it's a thing.
Yeah.
Dog bite, you go to Lanka.
Because I've never had dogs. If you have a dog, you probably
If you
know
have a
that
dog,
kind of
yeah. So a dog went to Nasmal, you went straight to general. And went to Lanka hospital, Machang, and then
Shout out to Lanka hospitals!
bro, it's so weird when it's the fuck you Lanka hospital, right? When it's the emergency, bro, people who come to the emergency are already in a state of shock,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
They are the employees there. They should know what the fuck to do when someone comes in there with a face full of blood, right? So I go in to the counter and I'm like, I have tissue and shit, right? Ballek hai pamood. Ballek. Cutter. And I'm like, bro, fucking obviously I'm here for my fucking face, right? Like what else could it be? What else could it be, right? And they're like, oh no, metana general yandone me. And I'm like, what do you mean? Then I got fucking pissed off, right? Then that's when I remember that I had to go to general. But then I still wanted to fucking get treated here, right? I'm gonna fucking go to general. And then I was like, dude, like fucking do something. At least treat the wound. You know? And I'm not a doctor, I don't know, I'm just talking out of like as an injured person, you know? And I was like, do something, bro.
And then the doctor came.
And then we were just sitting and waiting. They didn't tell us where to sit. We were just like there with just fucking beer can.
You just like in the common area.
Yeah, kind of. And then a doctor came and they were like, go sit in that room. And we sat. And I know a doctor. Remember I told you about a cool doctor who used to work at WHO with me?
The doctor said.
Huh?
Doctors. The name tag.
Oh yeah. So like the bugger, I was cleaning his room. And then this guy came and he had a tag that said doctor. And I was like, oh, okay, that's a bit.
So he's the doctor.
He's the doctor then, you know. And then he comes and he asks me. He's like, oh, okay, so he examines this thing and he's like calling his virologist supervisor, okay? Because they are the people who can treat this, right? And they were like, oh, it's
then the guy comes say big doctor.
Big doctor. And then he's like, it's close to the brain, so it's more serious as opposed to like a wound in the leg. I didn't know that when it's close to the brain, it's fucked. And then he's not some pot to like
Chill.
chill. I understand he's chill to keep me chill, right? But he's like, okay, so what kind of dog bit you? And I'm like, Dalmatian. Yeah, there was a movie, about 101. I am, of course, personally a cat person. So I'm like, bro, I'm like there with the fucking tissue, right? Like bleeding.
You're like, was it Cruella or was it Cruella 101?
Dude, I was fucking whack, dude. And then I called my doctor friend, right, who was like specialized in this shit. I was like, doctor, they don't give a fuck, bro. This is like the 10 million story they've heard. They're like, right. Okay, Kavin, so they'll give like a serum to your mouth, blah 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 blah. But just so you know, Kavin, like rabies there's no cure, so I'm like, what the fuck, bro? It was like, no, man, it was so crazy. And then they explained like serum like 20,000 rupees for like one syringe, and it's so big that you must put anesthesia before putting the big thing, right? So then they put me to like an emergency room and they clean the wound, and then they put fucking just to the lip, just anesthesia, like zzz, zzz. And
so
that hurt more than the serum because like
they didn't do a small spray for anesthesia.
No, bro, like straight to the lip.
Because how did they do it?
Oh.
It numbs the pain.
So this is to numb the fucking pain.
So they put a spray for that area to be numb, so then you put the syringe for anesthesia.
Oh, the cut was upper lip, lower lip, right?
Yeah.
So yatta damma. And I'm like, what the fuck? And I was like, doctor, can I listen to some music? Because every time I get like a tattoo or I go to the dentist, I listen to music to like calm myself down.
Yeah,
he's like, yeah, you do whatever you want. You can pray if you want.
You would rust.
And I was not.
Really?
Man, he was like, you can pray if you want to. And I was like, who do I pray to, right?
You, man.
And I said to me, and I said that, and he was like clearly like a very religious guy.
Yeah.
And when I said like, who do I pray to? He was like, this.
Who else? There's one. Only one.
I mean, to him, his one is different from my one.
It's the same.
So a bit of.
It's the same with different accounts, dude.
Different accounts. But yeah, bro, like not spent the night there, got the thing. And he comes later, right? I'm recovering. He's like, I have an estate and I want to have some dogs. And I want them to bite people. I'm like, why the fuck are you telling me?
Read the room, motherfucker.
Read the fucking emergency room, bro. What do you mean? He's like, I want to have dogs and I want them to bite people. I'm just like, oh, okay, cool story.
Like
bro.
this? Okay.
And then, yeah, man, I had to go and get 5 more injections for rabies.
So you still have to get more?
No, I'm done.
You're done.
I'm done, bro. Fucking back story. The
Back.
owner didn't give a fuck. Bro, all that was done. Dude, if my fucking cat mauled someone, staying in my own house,
You have to pay the bill also.
I'll be paying the bill. I'll be like calling the bug every morning. Hello, good morning. How is your face?
My cat is okay. How are you?
But yeah, bro, back story.
Back.
Wackadoodle doo, bro.
How's the timing? Because you have a thing at.
Our timing is 7:05, bro. In 10 minutes we'll have to stop.
Yeah, that's fine.
You wanted to tell something, eh?
Talk about my feelings.
Feelings?
/off my chest.
Why? Someone hurt you?
Someone? Everyone hurts me.
Everyone hurts you. Fucking hell.
Who hurt you?
Who hurt him? Huh? So what's the scene?
Well, not necessarily, dude. It's just basic
really?
stuff. I'm just gymming, dude. That's it. My whole life has bloody narrowed down to gym and work and sleep and gym and work and sleep.
So no time for feelings?
Nah, dude. Nah. It's in a tiny closet in there until it's gonna fall off the shelf. I remember an underwear shoot, dude.
Underwear shoot?
Yeah. It was the first time I'm doing it.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, first time doing underwear shoot. It's so. How do I say it? You have to make it look interesting and show the product
Yeah.
a lot, because like a lot of very branding focus. So it has a brand.
Just for context.
Okay.
Vertical video?
No.
Oh, okay. Video.
Like no,
Okay.
They had a small script with the voice
Right.
scene.
Oh, shit. Okay,
Going
okay.
on, like quite new. Like everything fashion is new for me.
Yeah,
I'm doing
yeah,
new
yeah,
stuff over
yeah.
there. So like very anticlimactic. So I'm just like telling how it is.
Oh, yeah.
Female model, male model, real fun, dude. Like I wouldn't say I learned a lot, but they were planning on doing a shoot on their own.
Oh no.
Yeah, and
like they want to film on there?
They want to film on their own.
People think they can do that.
And it was hard for me as well, because they have a script. They have 6 scenes.
Yeah.
6 scenes fit to a 30-45 second.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
Yeah.
It's 6 scenes, and
Yeah.
since you have the scenes, you have everything planned, right?
Yeah.
Even though it's planned, it's still quite hard.
Yeah.
And it took the whole day, right? I really don't know why a lot of brands like wanna do the shoot like on their own.
Yeah. That's crazy.
That's crazy
Because that's people who haven't done video shoots before and they don't know the amount of work that goes into it.
they haven't done video shoots.
They have asked.
They haven't.
Then they don't know
They
the
had done
amount of-
photo shoots.
See, that's the thing.
Yeah.
They think videos like
It's
not. It's harder than a photo shoot in my opinion.
For me, it's the opposite because I don't do photos.
Oh, okay.
For me, I have like not too much experience in that scene. But yeah, I'm really finding this fashion stuff fun. Dude.
Fun. It's
Okay.
fun. It's fun. It's very fun.
Yeah.
Man.
Because you know a bit about them.
I know a bit.
Poddak emeng
Red duck.
Red
That in
But something that I posted this somewhere as well. Like one of the some people I look up to, like he said, the good thing about fashion week. The first time I did a fashion week for PR, I think I
Yeah.
showed it way older.
Yeah.
When he said I was a bit excited and also a bit pulled back because
Yeah.
the first time I'm doing it on my
Yeah.
own. He said the only thing, the best thing about fashion is there's no right or wrong. There's no right or wrong. It's about good or bad.
Okay.
Because a product shoot can be right or wrong. Like product, there's always possible for it to be good.
Yeah.
But when it comes to like a fashion content, that's stuff we do.
Yeah.
Like to show the brand, the lifestyle
Yeah.
side, the aesthetic side. It only has to look good. It doesn't necessarily have to be right or wrong. It's not like a documentary. Like you can get a documentary wrong. What do you think?
I disagree. Like,
Okay.
fully.
How would you say it? Like,
Because I feel like that's what's wrong with the fashion
Okay.
industry and like people, the way people take photos.
Okay.
Like there could be, you said there couldn't be good or there could be right or wrong.
There
no?
couldn't be right or wrong.
Yeah,
There could
so
be
I
both.
feel like that's where people fuck up
Okay,
all
okay,
the time.
okay.
So like you do what everyone does and it becomes this industry standard and to the point where like, oh that's wrong. Like you would cast the same looking people over and over again because that's what we're used to seeing. And you continuing to do that. It's kind of in like a longer, bigger timeline.
Okay.
You weren't in the right part of things in the fashion industry because the fashion is fucked, right?
Yeah.
It's fucked. So I feel like there's a lot the ethical side of things, like
I don't
fucking putting like models in tea estates with like the tea pluckers in the back. It's like wrong, you know. Like
I think I'm talking about the kind of videos that I've done.
okay,
It's mostly like shot in
a white space.
a white space, like a
Yeah.
single space. We are looking at the clothes.
Okay.
We're looking at
Are you
movement.
talking about the video or the shoot?
I'm saying about the output, like that.
Okay.
I'm not talking about the brand.
Okay.
I'm not talking about like putting people in.
Okay. You're talking about the video.
I'm talking about the video. I'm talking about how you feel after looking at the video.
Right.
What were you talking about?
I was talking about the shoot overall.
Right. Can you tell me the whole tea plantations thought you had? I think I'm very much agreeing with what you're gonna
No,
say.
like how people, like anyway, the tea plantation
Right,
in
right.
it's like fucked. Like it's fucked. It's like exploitation.
Oh, yeah.
It has been happening.
Okay.
In that kind of sense.
In what's the
And-
garment?
No, and then
Employees
you
on
want to
pay-
sell
pay
like a cup of tea and you toss a white girl in there and she's like dancing.
Yeah.
And like they fucking get the tea plucker to
Yeah.
smile and it's like, and I've shot so many tea brands
Okay.
in the tea field and I had to keep telling them like, sitting means smile in Tamil. And like a little bit of me dies, you know, I'm like,
Yeah.
like they are fucking earning bare minimum for a fucking day.
Less than
And then
1,000.
like, just because less than 1,000, that's the
Yeah.
most important thing. And I'm just here earning like, what they would do in like 50 days of hard labor, I'm earning in that moment of filming, you
Yeah.
know, and
in like one day.
in a day,
In a day.
you know, and it's like I am telling they are not earning anything more just for fucking being in that shot. dude.
Yeah.
Unless like, bro, I've been to meetings where like they cast like Tamil looking girls for videos because like they don't want to have bulat in their video, right?
Okay.
So they cast like a Tamil looking girl who doesn't eat bulat and they put her in sari and whatnot.
They
and
cast someone to look like
Yeah.
Triplan rather than.
Yeah.
So these are
What a fucking amazing opportunity to cast a fucking
cast
tea.
actual girl.
Dude, like cast an actual girl, pay her the fucking 40k you'd pay for the fucking model in Colombo.
They can go.
Okay, if you're that fucking scene, you go for 20. What a fucking bonus it would be for that person, dude. Mad, dude. Fucking mad.
It's actually sad.
it's sad, dude.
Completely agree, dude. This is typical stuff, but do you think we're gonna like change in that sense?
We will, but like we have to. We have to.
Like we have to say.
So like recently, I got a call from like a tea company, and they were like, "What can you do for a video?" And I literally went like, I got her to like write the script with me as well. Like we went against everything that every other tea brand shows, you know. And ඒකටත් ඒගොල්ලන් කැමති නෑ. They are like, we want something out of the box. අපි out of the box එකක් දෙනකොට they don't like it, bro.
The out of the box have a box එකේ කොට
තව ලොකු පෙට්ටියක් තියෙනවා.
It's a bigger box.
That's a bigger box, bro. Mad
But
scenes, bro.
again. Sri Lankan Airlines ads?
Huh?
Sri Lankan Airlines ads?
Sri Lankan Airlines.
Bro, that pisses me off sometimes.
What pisses
like,
you off?
Same thing that you just said, dude.
But they're actual air hostess, no?
Yeah, hostels are actual, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
But everything else, dude.
What?
The whole tea thing.
Oh.
They have a.
But that's the stuff with Sri Lanka, right? Every tea because the thing is, they anyway market to like foreign. Because you look at the Lankan tea ads, it's like fishermen drinking tea, teacher drinking tea. The second it's for like people from other countries like Ukraine and Russia and all these things. They cater to those people, and it's like just white people in the tea fields, you know.
Because it has to be white people.
Yeah, like got into a lot of shit.
What do you mean?
For having a room. So
Okay.
like I don't know the details, so like I don't know how wrong I'm in this thing.
Okay.
But like
Then let's just cut the brand name out for this part.
okay.
Bleep it out.
Bleep. Okay. So the Bleep hotel chain wanted to have they made a room in that tea estate area hotel.
Okay.
I think it's like rooms that tea estate workers would live in, like you know lime.
Oh, they made a set.
They didn't make a set. They made a little tiny villas, but it was called that, and it's like ඒ වගේ ඇඳක් එහෙම දාලා. And people were like, dude, what the fuck? And this hotel's defense was like, no, this is like we do so much to the community here. This is just so people from outside can experience.
Okay, so just to like reiterate the whole thing again, they made a room which looked like a place the people who would work live in, but not actual houses.
No, but with a bit of luxury because Suddha will hear me in
With a bit of luxury, they
Yeah.
kind of made, kind of feel like they are there, but nice.
ලාම්පුවක්
Okay,
මොනවද
okay.
දාලා?
ලස්සන
ලස්සන.
light කරලා
Full
full
Instagram
vibes.
story ගන්න දාලා ආය full scene.
Like just right. It's fucked up.
It's fuck, bro. It's fuck.
Well, it is what it is. But it is what it is.
I think we had to come to, unfortunately, we have a tight schedule today.
We have night show today because of some.
But it was fun, dude. I feel like this was one of the most fast-paced.
So fast.
It was like a TikTok, bro. We started.
This will be good for TikTok. Like
We
the
can
first,
have like
the first
150 TikToks from
Out
this
of this
one podcast, bro. Bro,
Yeah.
do you like multiplex, bro? Yeah, bro.
Dame,
Ade,
dame.
you know, bro, multimedia, bro. Just fucking TikTok on TikTok, bro.
Good. We need to get on TikTok properly.
Bro, I need fucking AC, bro. Oh, I have to go to a fucking cafe. Bro, we have to end it, bro.
Alright.
Alright, cool.
Peace. We are
Peace
gonna
the
go
fuck
out.
out.
Let's just end the pod with like wait.
Oh my god! you get that, I'll get this, okay?
Alright.
One.
So then.
Okay.
Catch y'all when we catch y'all.
Like it is. Alright. Vibes, bro.